Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Multi-Vendor Marketplace Vendor Custom Options plugin. And in today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how this particular plugin allows the marketplace vendors to create custom options for various input types like select text area, text box, date and time, etc. for their products. The marketplace admin can also authenticate the vendors to use the options created by the admin or the other sellers. And apart from that, the marketplace admin can also view and manage all of the particular options created by the marketplace vendors. So let's get ahead and let's see how these particular things work within this. And for that, we'll be just showing you the workflow of this particular plugin. So first of all, we'll be seeing how these particular custom options that the marketplace vendors create would be visible to the customers of this particular marketplace based web store. And thereafter we'll be seeing how the vendors can create these custom options for their products, and lastly we'll see how the admin would be able to make the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. So first of all, let's hop onto the storefront or the marketplace storefront for the OpenCart platform based marketplace. So first we'll see the customer flow. So I'm at the marketplace storefront, and I'll be basically logging into my customer account first, and then we'll be checking one of the products. So basically right now I've logged in as a seller, not a problem. I have the customer account as well and the marketplace vendors account as well. So I'll just take you through both of them at the same time. So let's go to a product now. So right now I'm on the product, that's the black leather jacket, and for this particular product, the marketplace vendor whose product this belongs to, he has added some available options for that. So from here you can see that right now we have added one option, that is the color option, and it has the two different options. One is the dark gray and the steel. Now the customers can choose the color of this particular product and can then add this particular product to the cart and can make a checkout. The same details are visible within the card itself. There are the additional options that the customer has selected, like the color is gray. Now if I place this order, these details would be visible there as well. So let me make a small checkout with this particular product, and then we'll see these options would be visible there as well before placing the order and after placing the order under the customers my orders section as well. I'll just select the demo shipping for this and continue. I'll choose my payment method, cash on delivery, continue. Now at the time of order confirm, you can see the products additional options are visible here. There will also be a change in the price if the owner of the product has the options and added some additional price for those selections, and the order total would differentiate. So let's confirm the order. The order has been placed. Let's check the history of this order. 536 order number. Let's tap on the view. So here you can see that we have the black leather jacket with the color option as, or the additional option as color, and that is dark gray. So as I've already told you, if there is an additional amount for the choosing of the colors, like the gray color or the other color, and that particular vendor for this product has added any additional amount for those colors, and those would be added here within the actual price of the base product. So that was how the customers can place and check the orders. And let's go back, and let me go back to that particular product once again. So this is how on the product page the customers can select the additional options added by the marketplace vendors. Now different colors or the amount being added to the options as well. So the options can be of the radio type, text, and much more. I'll show you that in a while. So that was the customers flow. Now let's go to the account panel of the marketplace vendor, and let me show you how he can create the additional options, and then how he can assign those options to his products. So for that, under the account panel here for the marketplace for the vendor, we'll go to the custom options section. Here you'll see a complete list of already created custom options like the size and the test option. You can edit, add, or delete any of the created custom options. one by one. You can delete, or in multiple options as well. You can choose multiple custom options, and then you can delete them as well. So let me tap here on the edit button for this particular size custom option. So you can see the option name is size according to the store. The type, you can choose the type of this custom option as a radio, checkbox, image. For the input, you can select as text and text area. For choosing the option, you can choose from these four. That's the of the three, basically: the radio, checkbox, and the image. You can also choose for the file option. You can also set the date and time. You can set up the option value names, the different sizes here, and their order. You can add the images as well. To remove anyone, just tap on the remove button. To add a new one, just tap here on the add button. Remove, and then you can save the particular custom option. Now let's go back. Here also we have this text option, and let me edit it. So I've just set one option value, that's the checkbox. Let's add one more, test2, and the sort order would be 0. Let me set it as 1. I can add multiple. We can set the sort order for this option as well, and tap save thereafter. Okay, it has been saved, the test option. Now let me go to the storefront now for the marketplace. So the options that you've created for yourself, and then to the products to whom you have assigned these, on those products these custom options would be visible under the available options. And let's go back to the admin panel, the vendor panel basically. So that's how we can create and edit the custom options. And let's go back to the custom option list, and to add new, I'll just tap here on the add button. I can set the option name as R3, the type as radio. I'll set the sort order as 2. I'll add the option value names, RT. We can add an image for that one, or U, and RV. And then I'll just tap here in the save button, and this particular custom option would be saved. So here we have the R3, the sort order is 2, and we can edit or delete it as well. So now let's see how the vendor can assign the custom options to his product. So we'll go to the product list. Here we have our black leather jacket. Let me edit that up. Then we'll just go to the section that's, or the tab that's the option tab. You can do it to a new product as well that you're going to create. And from here you can tap on the add option. Now you can see we have the size, R3, and the test option. So the same were created by the vendor himself, as you remember. So if I choose here as R3, we can set the values here. You can see how many RTs we want. We can set the quantity for that. We can choose to subtract the stock. We can set the price to increase or decrease. Increase, then we can set the price. We can give the points, the weight, and the rest of the options. Similarly, if I tap here on the add options and I tap here on the test option, you can see that now we can add the test options. It's a quantity, the price, so we'll set it as 2000, and we'll just tap here on the save button. So I've just assigned the black leather jacket with that radio, that checkbox option there. Now if you go to the front end, and if I refresh the page here, the black leather jacket, initially we had that color option only, but now you can see that we have the test option that I've just created, and here you can see that I've chosen test. The actual price for this product is $300 only, but if we choose this option, then we have $20,000 more to pay. I can make that as mandatory as well. Let's add this product to cart. Now you can see the test option or the additional option has been selected by the customer, and now the price is $20,300. and now the same would be visible everywhere there. And let's go to the my account section, and under the customer account, if I go to my order history for the order that we previously placed, if I tap here, we have the details. That's the $300 without any increment for the chosen option. Now if I just place the order for this particular product once again, reorder, we have 20,300 because the option cost is there as for the test option that we created, 20,000. Let's make a checkout. So let's tap here, continue. Okay, let's choose my shipping, continue, check, continue. Now here on the confirm order, you can see that we have the test option selected, test, and now the price has risen to $20,300 along with the shipping that's not included with this. So it's the 20,300 right now. So we'll just confirm the order place. Let's check the history. This is 536 is the old one, this is the new one. Let's check this. So here we have the test option, that selected test, and the amount according to that. So that was much about the customer and then the vendor flow. And let's go to the admin backend panel now. So we'll just log into the OpenCart platform-based multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul, and after the successful installation, we'll navigate through extensions, and then extensions, and under the modules, we'll just navigate to our product. So we have the seller custom option. We'll just tap here on the edit button. So from here we can enable or disable this particular functionality for our OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace web store. And we can also set the custom options visibility, whether you want to display all of the options of the sellers, whether you want to display the custom option visibility for the single seller options, all seller options, or single sellers with default options as well. So you have multiple options here to set the custom options visibility within the storefront on the product pages itself. And that was much about the OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace seller custom options plugin. I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. And this particular plugin is an add-on to the multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul for the OpenCart platform itself. And if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.ubis.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.